Hello and welcome, everyone. My name is Kiana Oates. I'm with WiCyS. I'm a program manager, and I would like to welcome you to this WiCyS webinar with ISC Squared. We are going to discuss the WiCyS ISC Squared Certified in Cybersecurity Summer Camp. But before we get started, I'd like to introduce a little bit about the WiCyS organization. We often go by our acronym WiCyS, as in We Sisters, because that is exactly what we are, a cyber sisterhood. We are 501c3 with over 7,500 members in 70 countries. WiCyS is a premier organization with a global reach dedicated to bring together women in cyber, and our mission is to recruit, retain, and advance women in cybersecurity. All of our programs and initiatives are made possible by our supporting strategic partners. We have our professional affiliates, student chapters, equity advocacy committee, mentor mentee program, speakers bureau, job board, and so much more. You can view our training programs and initiatives on our website at WiCyS.org to learn more about the different ways to get involved within the WiCyS community. We owe all of our wonderful initiatives to our strategic partners. Our Tier 1 partners are Akamai, Amazon, Battelle, Bloomberg, Carnegie Mellon University Software Engineering Institute, Cisco, Fortinet, Google, Lockheed Martin, Meta, Microsoft, Optum, Sandia, National Labs, and SentinelOne. Remember to ask questions throughout the webinar. You can put them in the chat and the presenter will answer them at the end. We have the expert here with us today and look forward to hearing from you in the audience. If you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to our WiCyS newsletter at WiCyS.org to stay up to date on upcoming WiCyS events and trainings. And with us today, we have Alicia Williams from ISC Squared to discuss Certified in Cybersecurity. Welcome, Alicia.
Thank you, Kiana. I appreciate it. Again, my name is Alicia Williams. I am the External DEI Coordinator at ISC Squared, and I'm going to briefly talk about our Certified in Cybersecurity certification. So cybersecurity is a high-demand, high-profile profession with acute staffing shortages. Facing a scarcity of experienced people, hiring managers are becoming more creative and flexible to build resilient, sustainable cybersecurity teams. And new research by ISC Squared finds that hiring managers are looking for entry and junior level candidates to fill vacancies and take on the everyday duties and add value and fresh new perspectives that help strengthen security operations. A little bit about ISC Squared. So ISC Squared is the world's leading cybersecurity professional organization with more than 168 members. We are most well known for our CISSP certification, and our mission is to inspire a safe and secure cyber world. We do that by working with businesses and governments to understand the requirements they have to ensure the security of their information and systems. And we follow that understanding up by providing education and competency assessments to enable workforce development and validate candidates' skills through the certification process. Additionally, we support cybersecurity professionals broadly with their ongoing professional development needs and are a global advocate for ethical best practices and growth in the profession. So the new ISC Squared Certified in Cybersecurity certification enables candidates, including students, young professionals, and career changers, to demonstrate to employers their familiarity with foundational cybersecurity concepts which have been determined by cybersecurity professionals and practitioners already in the field. This new certification is truly entry level. You don't need any prior cybersecurity experience to take the exam. This entry level Cybersecurity certification is different from Security Plus or other certifications considered to be entry level. This certification provides hiring managers with confidence that candidates have the foundational knowledge required for entry level positions. And the CC proves to employers that you have the foundational knowledge, skills, and abilities necessary for entry or junior level cybersecurity roles. It signals your understanding of fundamental security best practices, policies, and procedures, and your willingness and ability to learn more and grow on the job. There are no specific prerequisites to take the exam. It is recommended that candidates have basic information technology knowledge, but no work experience in cybersecurity or formal education, like a diploma or degree, is required. If you're a problem solver with an analytical mindset, entry level cybersecurity certification is right for you. And here are some of the benefits to receiving the ISC squared certified in cybersecurity certification. You'll get respect from validating your knowledge and building that credibility. Job offers and advancement. Jobs love when you take that extra step and that extra initiative to show that you are more knowledgeable on the topic and want to learn more. It'll expand your growth in learning and your day-to-day work. You'll have a pathway to cybersecurity careers and advanced certifications. You'll be connected with a community of professionals and have access to a network and also higher salaries as well. So who earns the CC? The CC is ideal for students, incoming professionals, and career changers to build confidence and enter their first cybersecurity role prepared for what's next. So there are no specific prerequisites to take the exam. Again, it is recommended that candidates have basic information technology knowledge and no work experience is needed. And here we go over the different 5 security domains that cover the exam and the training. So domain 1 is about security principles. The average weight of the training is about 26%, and it is to understand the security concepts of information assurance, the risk management process, security controls, the ISC squared code of ethics and governance processes. Domain 2 goes over business continuity. That's about 10% of the training, and it's about understanding business continuity, disaster recovery, and incident response. Domain 3 holds about 22% of the training weight, and that goes over understanding physical access controls and logical access controls. Domain 4 is about network security. That covers about 24%, and that is about understanding computer networking, network threats and attacks, and network security infrastructure. And domain 5 covers security operations, and the average weight is about 18% of the training, and it's about understanding data security, system hardening, best practice security policies, and awareness training. So here are some of the exam details. So it takes about 2 hours to complete the exam. It has a 100 number of exam questions, and they are multiple choice format. And a passing score is 700 out of 1,000. And we also have exam availability in different languages, and you will take the exam at a testing center from Pearson VUE. Here are the steps to receiving your CC. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take and pass the exam. Then you're going to complete and pay complete the application and pay ISC Squared's annual maintenance fee, which is a pay of $50. And then you're going to maintain your membership. So you're going to take recertification every 3 years and earn earn 45 continuing professional education credits to withhold that certification. IC Squared offers a choice of flexible options for entry-level cybersecurity certification exam preparation that will help you gain the solid foundation of knowledge employers are looking for from an association they trust. Both of the instructor-led courses have self-paced content to help reinforce knowledge, or you can choose the online self-paced course to learn at your own speed. As part of our commitment to help close the workforce gap, we've launched a new global initiative, the 1 million Certified in Cybersecurity, where ISC Squared is offering free entry level CC online self paced training and exams to the first million people. The objective of this is to advance DEI in cybersecurity and to encourage diversity, equity, and inclusion in the workforce. And ISC Squared works closely with partner organizations to help reach populations underrepresented. And we've pledged half of the commitment, which is 500,000 course enrollments and exams to this effort. And the 1 million CC is just the beginning. So it's not just about the current gap, but also sustaining workforce development. So continuous support of individuals along their professional career path and a callback to additional certifications. And here is a list of the current certifications that ISC Squared has at the moment. Thank you very much for listening to a brief overview of the ISC Squared Certified in Cybersecurity Certification. I have, if you ever need to reach out or if you have any additional comments or concerns, you can always reach out to me or Kiana. We're, giving immediate access to those who join the cohort and be able to further their job skills in the cybersecurity workforce.
Thank you very much, Alicia, for sharing that information. We do have a few questions in the chat. So I see one of the questions so far is for you. It's asking about the exam. It wants to know if the exams application or lab based.
Application based.
Okay, great. Thank you very much. I'm just going to go through the questions as they were received. We may have a few more for you, Alicia. Someone did ask, is this just for women? And the answer is no. This opportunity is open to all WiCyS members. So if you're a member of WiCyS, you can apply. With the training be available to watch later or go through in my own time? Yes. So once we're done here, this will be available through Bright Talk. So where you register to view this, it will be available for you to watch as many times as you need. How do I apply for the WiCyS ISC Squared Certified in the Cyber Certification Summer Camp? So we do have the link to the application here, so in the announcements, so you can click through there. You can also go to our website under trainings and go to our webpage for ISC Squared, and you will be able to apply through there. Just click on the apply button. Okay, here's another one for you, Alicia. For the testing center, does it have to be in person or would there be a computer-based option?
So you take the training you can do self-paced, you can take that at home, but the test you do have to take at a Pearson location in person.
Okay, great. Thank you. Someone is asking, is there a cost for the exam? And the answer is no. If you do apply and get accepted for the WiCyS ISC Squared Certified in Cybersecurity Certification Summer Camp, then you will receive a voucher in order to register for the exam, and you will take that at no cost for the first time. Okay, let's see. We have a time for a few more questions. Let me go through here. Can anyone apply for this summer camp? And the answer is you can apply as long as you're a WiCyS member. So anyone who is a WiCyS member can apply. Is there any structured training provided to prepare for the exam? So you will receive training through the program. And then you also have access to a technical mentor that works for ISC2, as well as we have 2 WiCyS mentors that will assist you as well. You must be a member of WiCyS in order to apply. Someone asked about needing to apply. One second. Some of these we've already answered, so I'm just going through them. Okay, Alicia, you may be able to answer this one. Do we need to have any special computers, equipment, or anything when we get into Python or SQL?
If they're referring to the training that ISC2, no, you don't need any special electronics for that.
Okay, thank you. Okay, and then someone wants to know, is there any difference between the self-study route and doing it with WiCyS Summer Camp besides group studying? The difference is, like I mentioned before, you have access to technical mentor who's available to you. We also have a Slack cohort where you can share ideas and get assistance from your cohort members. And then also the technical mentor has specific office hours where you can sign up and get assistance from her. So other than that are the benefits of doing it through with WiCyS and ISC2 rather than the self-paced route on your own. Okay. And someone's asking about retakes. If someone has signed up and needs to retake, would this apply to them and would they be able to retake it for free? If you've already had access to the voucher and retook and had taken the exam with the voucher, you would need to pay to take it a second time. Okay. And someone said, how do I become a member of WiCyS? So you can go to our website and you can apply to be a member there. There are different options based on if you are a student, industry professional, veteran, military spouse. So you would see what option applies to you and you can apply there. Okay. I think that is all of the questions that we haven't already answered. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us or you can send us an email on our web. You can go to our website at WiCyS.org and get more information about the program, or you can send us an email. Okay, well, thank you everyone for joining. Thank you very much, Alicia, for giving us this information about the program. And thank you. Have a great day.